Everyone thinks the problem is income. If I just made more money, everything would be fine. But let me tell you the truth most people never learn. More money doesn't fix broke problems. It just exposes them. That's why people get raises and still live paycheck to paycheck. That's why some people earn a lot and still have nothing. 2026 will prove this again. Not because money is evil, not because success is rare, but because most people never upgrade the mindset that controls their money. Here's what usually happens when income increases. New phone, better car, bigger rent, more eating out, more I deserve this. The money comes in and instantly finds somewhere to live. This is called lifestyle inflation. Your expenses rise to match your income, so your financial position always stays the same. No buffer, no investments, no peace, just higher bills. And the worst part, the higher you climb, the harder it becomes to step back down. That's how people get trapped in lifestyles they can't afford but feel ashamed to downgrade from. Financial freedom is not about luxury. It's about control. Control over your time, control over your choices, control over emergencies. If one missed paycheck can destroy your life, you're not rich, you're fragile. Real wealth is boring at first. Budgeting, tracking expenses, saying no, living below your means. It's not flashy, it doesn't impress people, but it builds something powerful: stability. And stability is the foundation of every wealthy person you admire. Most people say, I don't invest because I don't have enough money. But that's not the real reason. The real reason is fear. Fear of losing, fear of not understanding, fear of starting small. So they keep all their money in cash, where inflation quietly steals from it every year. Saving without investing is like running on a treadmill. A lot of effort, no progress. Wealth isn't built in one move. It's built through consistent, boring, disciplined investing over time. Not gambling, not hype, not shortcuts, just systems. At some point, you must stop seeing yourself as someone trying to survive and start seeing yourself as someone building a financial future. Survivors spend first. Builders plan first. Survivors react. Builders prepare. Survivors chase comfort. Builders delay gratification. This shift doesn't happen in a year. It happens the moment you decide to stop lying to yourself. Making more money won't save you. Winning the lottery won't save you. Getting lucky won't save you. Only discipline, education, and systems will. 2026 will expose everyone. Those who built systems and those who did not. The question is simple. Will more money change your life, or will it disappear like all the rest?
This channel is for people who want more. Subscribe and lock in.